Hello everyone, welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we're giving you some Mediterranean tastiness by grilling chicken that's been marinated on a creamy yogurt sauce. Now before we begin this culinary trip to Greece, please be sure to support the channel by clicking the subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, and leaving a like on this video. Now let's get cooking. In a medium bowl, add 1/2 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of pepper. Then mix everything together. Add the chicken breast to the same bowl and toss to coat. Then place the chicken in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes and up to 4 hours. If you are using wooden skewers, soak those skewers in water while the chicken is marinating. Once the chicken has finished marinating, remove it from the bowl and thread onto metal or wooden skewers. Let's then preheat the grill to medium-high heat and brush the grill with olive oil. Place the skewers on the grill and cook, turning occasionally until the chicken is well browned and an instant read thermometer reads 160 degrees, which usually takes about 10 minutes. After it's done cooking, you can use tongs to slide the chicken off the skewers and onto a serving platter. Serve chicken with pita, tzatziki, or hummus and a simple salad for a complete meal. If you'd like to see the full recipe, check the description box below or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes for more food just like this. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video for more video recipes here at Cozymeal Studios. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you all again in the next video.